In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're learning a new language or need to use Teams for work in a different language, adjusting these settings is straightforward. Let's dive in to make your Microsoft Teams experience customized to your language preferences. First, begin by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your device. If you're using a computer or laptop, make sure it's the desktop version as these steps are specifically for that platform. Once inside Teams, keep an eye on the top right-hand corner. You'll see your profile picture or initials if you haven't set a profile picture yet. Clicking on this will open up a menu where you'll have access to various settings and options related to your account. After you've accessed the menu, look for the option labeled Settings and give it a click. This is where you'll find most of the configurations you can tweak according to your needs. Within the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. These options help customize your Teams experience. Now, look for the section called General. This is typically the first selection and is often already highlighted when you enter the Settings menu, making it easy to find. In the General section, you'll find various customizable features, but today we're focusing on the language settings. Scroll down just a bit in this area until you find the heading that specifically says Language. Under this, you should see the current language that Microsoft Teams is set to. This is usually based on your system settings unless you've previously adjusted it. Next to this, there will be a drop-down list or menu. By clicking on this menu, you will open up a wide array of language options. Select the language you prefer from the list. Microsoft Teams supports a variety of languages, so take your time to find the one you need. Once you've made your new selection, it's important to remember that these changes won't apply until you restart Teams. So, before you do anything else, make sure to click Save and Restart. This button should be visible after you've selected your language. By doing this, Teams will close and reopen with your newly chosen language applied across the application. There you have it, a simple way to adjust the language settings, making Microsoft Teams more accessible and user-friendly for you. This change will ensure all the menus, labels, and settings are displayed in your chosen language, potentially making collaboration and communication easier in your preferred language. If you find yourself needing to revert back or switch to another language in the future, remember these steps are always here for you. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating!